Hey everyone, it's Bailey here at FutureMaker Lab. Today I have Josh here with us. Why don't you tell us about yourself?
Hi, I'm Josh. I go to school here at WSU Tech and I'm studying aviation maintenance technology to be an A&P mechanic.
What do you enjoy learning about being an A&T mechanic?
To this point, Turbine Engines has been my favorite class. Piston Engines was my favorite because I had never seen the inner workings of a piston engine, which we all drive in our cars.
Right.
But a turbine engine is just so much cooler because it's like the same concept as a piston engine, but it's like way 10 times more powerful, even 100 or 1,000, I don't know. But it's just so much more powerful, and it's like all it is just like it's intaking air and it's compressing that air and then it's exploding the air and then it's shooting the air out, all in one solid like fluid line. Well, I wouldn't say it's a fluid line, but it's like there's fans and there's a lot of things in it, but it does that and it shoots it out and makes it go.
That's cool. I know that Shay actually did a video on how a airplane engine works with the piston engine, and I didn't know what a piston engine really did, and so he made me do a graphic of like compressing the air and show all that stuff. It was really cool.
Yeah, and that's the same concept in a turbine engine, except instead of a piston squeezing the air, you have fans rotating and shooting the air through stator fans. They're not fans, but they're like stationary fans, actually.
Okay.
But they go through and then they compress the air just like in a piston engine, and then you have your spark plug and your fuel injection. It makes it
with the cutout engine. You have a cutout turbine, I assume, so you can like see the parts moving. For your class. Yeah, that's cool. So how much do you think you can make as an A&T mechanic?
Well, it's like an hourly job, but it's a very high hourly job, and it caps out, from what I've heard, in a lot of places, especially like airports. It caps out around like 60-ish an hour.
That's really good.
So it's not bad.
That is a lot higher than I was expecting you to say. That's awesome.
The problem is that a lot of the older mechanics are getting these better paying wages, and the newer ones are not getting as good of benefits. But there's a lot of older people that left because of COVID and because they had to wear a mask and they were mad about that. Just saying. And there's other things, the aviation business has gone down for a little bit and a lot of mechanics have left, but it's going back up.
Yeah.
That's actually, I should bring that up. As an A&P mechanic, maintenance manuals are your Bible, basically. It's you do everything according to the maintenance manual. You could, if you don't and you say that you did and then a plane crashes, you could go to jail. It's pretty, that's one thing I should warn people is like, take it seriously. You have people's lives in your hands. It's like being a doctor, but in a plane, and you have thousands of people, well not thousands, a lot of people in your hands, their lives in your hands. And you're not working on them directly, but you're working on the airplane that carries them in the air that could blow up or crash.
Makes sense.
If you want to see more interviews like these, like and subscribe.